Good morning, this is Elaine with WTI. Have you had your morning coffee yet? This Greenwell Chocolate Macadamia Nut smells so yummy. I love waking up to the aroma of the fresh grinding of this bean. It's so rich in flavor, we only use 4 tablespoons of coffee beans. I love that Greenwell Farms has brilliant packaging designed to keep your beans fresh until you grind them. Our family fell in love with the Greenwell Farm when visiting Hawaii. And now this is our coffee bean that comes in every month on replenishment. Because of the beautiful smooth taste of these beans, it's the only coffee I don't ever need flavored creamer. The taste is that great. So make sure you have your piece of Hawaii with you all the time. Honestly, we just can't do without it. And that's just my point of view.